My name is Venkat MD, Director of Time Tirupati. So, in this video, I will discuss with you quant tricks. It is races and circular tracks. So, first, what is meant by race? So, it is an application of time, speed, and distance. It is an application of time, speed, and distance. It is races and circular tracks. So, the definition of races is race is a competition related to speed. It is race is a competition related to speed. It is also a competition, one of the competition, but related to speed. It is race is a competition related to speed. So, there are some important key notes related to races. It is that you have to know first. So, the first key note is, suppose let it be there is a 100-meter race. So, the length of the race is 100 meters. It is length of the race is 100 meters. So, there are two participants A and B. There are two participants A and B. The length of the race is 100 meters. So, suppose the statement is given just like it is in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters means A covers 100 meters, but B covers only 90 meters in the same time. What is the meaning of that? In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters means A covers 100 meters, but B covers only 90 meters. Then only we say A beats B by 10 meters. A covers 100 meters, but B covers only 90 meters in the same time. Then we say A beats B by 10 meters. So, that is the first keynote. Now, the second keynote is here. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters or 5 seconds. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters or 5 seconds. Means what we understand? According to distance, A beats B by 10 meters, but according to time, A beats B by 5 seconds it is. Means what is the exact meaning of that? B covers 10 meters in 5 minutes it is. B covers 10 meters in 5 seconds, that is the meaning of that. If the statement is given in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters or 5 seconds means B travels 10 meters in 5 seconds. These are the two important keynotes in races. So, if you know these two key points, we can discuss about races. It is very simple concept. It is races. Now, the first question is in a 100-meter race. The first question is in a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by question mark. What is the question here? In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by question mark it is. Okay. Now, see here, how can you solve that? In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters. So, you have to take like this, it is A, B and C. A, B and C it is. So, A beats B by 10 meters means A covers 100 meters, but in the same time B covers only 90 meters. Then only we say A beats B by 10 meters it is. Okay. Now, B beats C by 10 meters means B covers 100 meters, but in the same time C covers only 90 meters. Then we say B beats C by 10 meters. Okay, for these two here, if you observe, B is the common factor. So, by observing here, B value is 90, but here B value is 100. B value is 90, but here B value is 100. So, you have to equate that. You have to equate that. So, how can you equate that? How can you equate the value of B here? See here, very simple approach is there. In second equation, cancel 0 on both sides. So, for 10 meters, we get 9 meters it is. For 10 meters, we get 9 meters it is. Okay. Now, for 90 meters, we require 90 here. So, 90 meters. 90 meters means so 10 becomes 90 means into 9 here. Here into 9 means here in this side also you have to take into 9 it is. So, 9 into 9 how much it is? 81 meters. So, here B value is same now. B is 90, here also B is 90. Okay, if A is 100, B is 90, C is how much here? 81. C is 81. Now A is 100, B is 90, C is 81 means A beats C by how much it is? A beats C by how much? So 81 means how much less it is when compared with 100? 19 meters. So we say here A beats C by 19 meters it is. So what is our answer now? 19 meters. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by how much means? So don't say 20 meters, don't say 20 meters. What is our answer? 19 meters is our answer. How can you get that? A beats B by 10 meters means if A is 100, B is 90, B beats C by 10 meters means B is 100, C is 90 now. Now equate the value of B. How can you equate the value of B? By simple operating, we get the value of B is same now by cancellation of 0 on both sides and multiplied by 9. So 90 meters, 81 meters, C is 81. So A is 100, B is 90, C is 81. Now A beats C by how much now? So A is 100, C is 81. So how much less it is? 19 less. So we say A beats C by 19 meters it is. So our answer is 19. So it is one of the approach it is. So our answer is 19 meters, it is one of the approach. Now what is the another approach to calculate? Okay, another strategy is also there. So for the same question here, so by using ratio concept you can do it. See here how can you do it. The same question again, A beats B by 10 meters, it is B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by how much it is. So the same question, second strategy is by using ratio. Now we have to calculate A is to B it is. A is to B. What is A is to B? A beats B by 100 meters. If A is 100, so B is 90. So A is to B is how much here? 10 is to 9. A is to B is 10 is to 9. So similar way, B beats C by 10 meters means we have to calculate B is to C now. So B is to C, B is 100 meters, C is 90 again. Now what is B is to C again? By cancellation of zeros on both sides we get 10 is to 9. So B is to C also 10 is to 9. If you know A is to B and B is to C ratio, we get A is to B is to C. We know one strategy, we know one shortcut that we learnt in the ratio proportion class. So A is to B is to C. Listen to me again here. How can you got? If B is the common term just like it is, if B is the common term, we apply this shortcut curve it is. This is the shortcut curve. So A is to B is to C. First calculate 10 into 10. This is the curve. 10 into 10 is 100. Next this curve cross it is 10 into 9. First you have to calculate is 10 is to 90. First you calculate 10 is to 90 it is. 10 is to 10, 100. Next 10 is 10 into 9, 90. Next 9 into 9 it is. 9 into 9 is 81. So this is the order you have to follow. So all cancellation. So 10 is to 100 is to, what is our answer? 10 is to 100 is to 100 is to 90 is to 81, A is to B is to C is 100 is to 90 is to 81. If A is 100, how much is C now? A is 100, how much C now? 81. So A beats C by how much it is? 19 meters. It is very simple when compared with the previous logic it is. By using ratios we calculated here. So what is the ratio concept here? A is to B, B is to C. If you know A is to B is to C, you can calculate by applying this shortcut curve. First multiply 10 into 10, next 10 into 9, next 9 into 9 it is. We get A is to B is to C, 100 is to 90 is to 81. So A beats C, our question. A is 100, C is 81. So C is how much less when compared with A? So 19 less it is. So A beats C by 19 meters. So our answer is 19 meters it is. Okay. Now, so we see second question it is. Now see here question number 2. Again the same question, so similar question here. I will give one more question, similar question. In a 200-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters. Then A beats C by how much? In a 200-meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by how much? Now the similar strategy we follow by using ratio concept, I will do it. Okay. Now here, so A is to B, how to calculate again? What is the A is to B again? If A is 200 meters, A beats B by 10 meters means so A is 200, B is only 190. Why B is 10 meters less when compared with the A it is. A beats B by 10 meters, the length of the race is 200. So A covers 200 meters, but B covers only 190 meters. So what is the A is to B? 200 is to 190, we get the ratio. So 20 is to 9 it is. 20 is to 19. Now similar way, B beats C by 10 meters. Again the length of the race is same. B is to C, we calculate B is to C here. What is B is to C? B is 200, C is 190 again. So again cancellation, we get 20 is to 19, again we get 20 is to 19 here. So we know A is to B and B is to C, again we apply the logic, common term B is there here, cross it is, you have to apply the shortcut curve again. Now first multiply, so A is to B is to C, A is to B is to C equal first 20 into 20 how to calculate, how much it is 400, now 20 is to 19 you have to do 380 is to 19 into 19 361. So what is the A is to B is to C here? 400 is to 380 is to 361. Now here our question is A is to C. Generally here majority 99% of the students do mistake here. So A beats C means generally they says 39 meters, but here our answer is not 39 meters. A is 200 meters, C is 361. So A beats C by how much means generally this is 39 meters it is, but here our answer is not 39. But what is our answer, tell me? So here the length of the race is 200, that you forgotten. So don't forget that. So if A is 200, what about C? That you have to calculate. If A is 200, what about C? But here A is 400. So you have to convert into 200 by dividing 2 on both. So entire ratio divided by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So A is to B is to C, how much you got now? So divided by 2, 200 is 2, here also by 2, 190 is 2. Now here also 361 by 2. So 361 by 2 means 180.5. 180.5 it is. Now here 180.5, A is 200, C is 180.5. So A is 200, C is 180.5. So how much less it is? How much less it is? 19.5 it is. So 19.5. So A beats C by how much it is? 19.5. Okay, so this is our answer. So what is our answer now? In a 200 meter race, A beats B by 10 meters, B beats C by 10 meters, then A beats C by how much means? Don't say 20 meters here. Here what is our answer? 19.5 meters. So by applying the ratio concept, you have to calculate again A is to B. If A is 200, B is 190. So you get ratio 20 is to 9. Now B is to C also get 20 is to 9. So we know A is to B, B is to C. Calculate immediately A is to B is to C by applying the shortcut curve it is. Okay. We get 400 is to 380 is to 361. But here our answer is A beats C by how much? So A beats C by how much means the length of the race is 200, but here we get 400, A is 400. So convert into 200 it is by 2 by 2 by 2. Entire ratio is to be divided by 2. By dividing into how much you got here? 200 is to 190 is to 180.5. Okay, so now A is 200, C is how much now? 180.5. So how much less it is? 19.5. So A beats C by how much it is? 19.5. So 5 meters, that is our answer it is. Okay. Now I will discuss with you one more question on races it is. Now question number 3. So in a 400 meter race, listen to me carefully. In a 400 meter race, A beats B by 20 meters or 5 seconds. In a 400 meter race, A beats B by 20 meters or 5 seconds. What is B's speed? So what is our question here? In a 400 meter race, A beats B by 20 meters or 5 seconds. Then what is B's speed? See here, how can you calculate? By using the second keynote of races. What is the second keynote here? By applying that, here the length of the race is 400 meters. In a 400 meter race, A beats B by 20 meters. A beats B by 20 meters or 5 seconds means what is our statement? B covers 20 meters in 5 seconds. What is here? B travels or covers, so 20 meters in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds it is. B covers 20 meters in 5 seconds it is. Okay, remaining distance is 20 meters, remaining time is 5 seconds. If we give 5 seconds times to B, he will reach the race it is. Okay, so B covers 20 meters in 5 seconds. Here 20 meters is the distance, so 5 seconds is the time it is. So distance and time is there. Distance and time is there here. You have to calculate the speed. What is the B speed now? Speed equal to distance by time. So what is B's speed equal to? So speed is distance by time. So distance by time. So distance is 20 meters, time is 5 seconds it is. So 20 by 5 meter per second. So 20 by 5 means here, so 4 meter per second. So our answer be 4 meter per second it is. Suppose it is given in kilometer hour. Suppose the options are there in kilometer per hour, you have to convert that into kilometer per hour. So that we learnt in the time, speed and distance. How can we convert meter per second into kilometer per hour? So here our target is to convert into larger units, kilometer per hour. So numerator value be larger means into 18 by 5. So 4 into 18 by 5. 4 into 18 by 5, you get that value into kilometer per hour it is. Okay, 18 4 is 72, 72 by 5, 72 by 5, 72 by 5 means so 5 1 is 5, okay, 5 4 is 20, 14.4 kilometer per hour, that is our answer. If the answer is in kilometer per hour, so what is our answer? 14.4 kilometer per hour it is. Okay, all of you understand this question? So, we will go fourth question, question number 4, similar to this. Now, see here question number 4. In a 800 meter race, A beats B by 100 meters or 10 seconds. What is B's total time to reach the length of the race? That is the question. In a 400 meter race, A beats B by 100 meters or 10 seconds. Then what is the B's total time to reach the length of the race it is? Okay. So, very simple question. So, here what are the clues are there? What is the length of the race here? So, in a 800 meter race, A beats B by 100 meters or 10 seconds. So, the length of the race is 800 meters here, 800 meters. So, here what is the condition? A beats B by 100 meters or 10 seconds means B covers 100 meters, B covers 100 meters in 10 seconds. B covers 100 meters in 10 seconds. Okay, but here B has to cover 800 meters it is. So, to cover 800 meters, how much time takes it is? To cover 100 meters, it takes only 10 seconds, but to cover the length of the race, how much time takes? That is our question. What is B's total time to reach the length of the race? Means to cover 800 meters, how much time takes? So, 100 becomes 800, 100 becomes 800 means into 8. Now, in this side also you have to take into 8 it is. So, 10 into 8, how much 10 into 8? 80 seconds. So, in a 800 meter race, A beats B by 100 meters or 10 seconds, that is our question. Then what is the B's total time to reach the length of the race it is? Okay. Now, according to this question, B covers 100 meters in 10 seconds. So, if B covers 100 meters, here we require 800 meters total length of the race. So, 100 becomes 800 means into 8, here also into 8, 10 into 8, 10 into 8 is how much you got? 80 seconds it is. Okay. Next question number 5 it is. So, question number 5, in a, let it be the same question, in a 800 meter race, A beats B by 200 meters or 10 seconds. In a 800 meter race, A beats B by 200 meters or 10 seconds. Then what is the A's total time to reach the length of the race it is? A's total time to reach the length of the race, that is the question. What are the clues here again? So, the length of the race is 800 meters again. The length of the race is 800 meters. What is the statement given? A beats B by 200 meters means B covers, so 200 meters. So, in how much time it is? 10 seconds. 200 meters in 10 seconds it is. But calculate the B's total time now. Calculate the B's total time. What is B's total time? To reach the total length of the race means to travel 800 meters. To travel the total length, how much B's total time? That you have to calculate first. So, for 200 meters 80 seconds, for 800 meters means into 4 it is. So, 200 becomes 800 means into 4. Here also take into 4. So, 10 into 4, 40 seconds. So, for B it takes 40 seconds to reach the length of the race it is. So, B takes 40 seconds, A is 10 seconds less. Why in the question it is given in a 800 meter race, A beats B by 200 meters or 10 seconds. According to time 10 seconds, A takes 10 seconds less time when compared with B according to the question. Now here B's time you got, how much B's time here? 40 seconds. So A's time is 10 seconds less it is. Now what is A's time now? 30 seconds. What is the A's time? So to reach the length of the race here, A's time to reach the length of the race is 30 seconds it is. 30 seconds. Okay. So the last question related to races it is. So what is the last question? See here. So question number 6 it is. In a 1200 meter race, A beats B by 300 meters or 10 seconds. In a 1200 meter race, A beats B by, in a 1200 meter race, A beats B by 300 meters or 10 seconds. Then what is A's speed? Here you have to calculate the A's speed. Now here by observing again, the length of the race is how much here? So 1200 meter, the length of the race is 1200 meters. What is our statement? A beats B by 300 meters or 10 seconds means, so B covers 300 meters, B covers 300 meters in 10 seconds. Okay, now calculate B's total time now. So B's total time means total length of the race. To travel the total length of the race, how much time takes, that you have to calculate first. What is the length of the race here? 1200 meters. So to travel 1200 meters, how much time takes by B, that you have to calculate first it is. Okay. Now B 300 meters, to cover 300 meters it takes 10 seconds, but we require for 1200 meters, how much time takes it is. Okay, how much time takes again? 300 becomes 1200 means into 4. So here also into 4. So 10 into 4, 40 seconds it is. So B's time is 40 seconds. Now what is A's time? So we get A's time it is. So A's time is 10 seconds less it is. Why? A beats B by 10 seconds it is given. A beats B by 10 seconds it is given, means A's time is 10 seconds less when compared with B. Now here you get B's time is 40 seconds. Now what about A's time? It is 30 seconds it is. A's time is 30 seconds. Okay. Now we require the A's speed. What is A's speed? So we calculate speed equal to distance by time. So distance is here the length of the race. What is the length of the race here? 1200. So speed equal distance by time. Here we calculate the time. A's time is 30 seconds. Okay. Now what is A's speed now? We calculate very easily. A's speed equal to, so distance by time it is. So distance is length of the race. So 1200 by 30. So how much it is? So 40 meter per second. 40 meter per second. Sometimes it may be given in kilometer per hour also. Convert that into kilometer per hour. How can you convert into kilometer per hour? Into 18 by 5, get that value into, so kilometer per hour it is. So 5 ones, 5 8s gets cancelled, 18 8s, 144 kilometer per hour it is. 144 kilometer per hour it is. So what is A's speed? 144 kilometer per hour. So to solve the questions in CAT, other competitive examinations just like IBPS, SSC and other exams, SAT, MAT, CMAT. So you have to analyze the question carefully first. You have to analyze the question carefully first, and you have to observe which hints are there, which clues are there in the question. So after analysis you make the plan. How can you do it? How can, which keynote you have to apply, that you have to make the plan it is. So according to that plan you have to work out, you have to calculate to get the answer it is. Okay. So that is about races. So in the next video I will discuss with you about circular tracks it is. Okay. So thank you.